10.1.2 Compound interest. Essential question. What does each variable represent in the amortization formula? Skill. I can formulate and solve exponential equations given a word problem. Jimmy invests $3,385 into a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 3% compounded semi-annually. How long would it take for the account balance to reach $5,000? We'll use the amortization formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power, where A is the current amount, P is the initial amount, R is the rate, N is the number of times it's compounded per year, and T is the number of years. We will identify all but one of these. A is $5,000. P is $3,385. The rate in standard form is 0.03. The number of times it's compounded per year is twice. Semi-annually, so that means twice a year. And then the time, we do not know what that is yet. Let's plug in all these values and then solve for our unknown. So from here, we're going to divide each side by 3,385. And we don't need to use the calculator quite yet. We'll do that at the end. So 5,000 over 3,385 equals 2.03 over 2. So 2t power. I got that by 1 is the same thing as 2 over 2. So then we could combine the two top numbers. From there, we're going to take the ln of each side, natural log. And using power rule, we can move the exponent to the front now. ln of 5,000 over 3,385 equals 2t times ln of 2.03 over 2. Okay, let's divide each side by everything except for t. And that's when we will put this in the calculator. And if we put it in, we get about 13 years. Now the formula with t already solved for would look like this. We can go ahead and write that on our paper as well. So this is the formula with t already solved for. Here's some other variables solved for. So here's what they will usually give you with A solved for. With R solved for already put in percentage form, T solved for, and then this formula right here is for continuous compounding. So if it doesn't say n times per year, annually, semi-annual, monthly, any of that kind of stuff, if it says continuously, you would use this formula instead. It's usually used for things such as population growth. So answer the essential question and do the other examples underneath.